Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Real Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on the River City Hotel and Casino in St. Louis. Let's go ahead and actually check it out. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and check in. Alright, so check this place out. Wow, very nice. Ooh. Let's get some light in here. Heck yeah. Look at that. Boom. Alright, let's try it out. Pull it out. So if it's on that one, let's switch it to that one. Boom. Easy peasy. Let's check this out. Cool. Very nice. Okay, yeah, there's a TV right here. Let's test that out. Maybe. Seems like we got power. Yep, there we go. Well, that's cool. Yeah, there it is. That's cool. That's cool. See that there? So you can change it. So very, very cool little feature right here. When you're getting ready, shower, whatever. You can turn it off. Okay. This little area here. You can seal this up. Nice. I think my wife already set it to the lowest, which is 60. Very cool mirror here. We did get the king bed. This is cool. It's very nice. You can charge your phone right on here, which we probably will use. But look at that. It's actually a very nice bed. I have to try it out today. Couple outlets here. From there. Empty here. All right, and I just wanted to show not a huge view right here, but definitely not terrible. So the entrance area, there's a sign. But I just wanted you guys to see the view of our room. Oh yeah, this is awesome right here. Look at this little fridge. We're gonna need this. Awesome. We're here for a couple days for Summer Smash. Super cool by First Form. Handheld steamer. Heck yeah. Little desk here. Chair. Did bring my laptop just in case. Nice little coffee station. Nice size LG. It's fired up. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, we're ready to go. Throw on some Shark Tank. Okay. There we go. All right, and for you guys that want to know, the TV does already come with Google Cast, so you can just log in. In case you guys are just chilling in the room, you are able to do that.
So what's in the
So as you can see,
So we have about 46 different SKUs.
this is really, really nice, guys. Get yourself a Bible there. Last but not least, Heck yeah. Super nice room, guys. Can sleep like a baby. Let's check out the business center. There's a printer there. 2 computers. Not too bad. So if you need print anything, use anything here. They have a nice business center here as well. Now walking through the fitness center, you'll see it has enough equipment to get a solid workout in without having to leave the property. If you're someone who likes to keep your routine going while you're traveling, you've got cardio machines, free weights, and enough space to knock out a quick session before starting your day or winding down at night. As you see, they even supplied the liquid IVs at the front as well as some small waters. I always appreciate when a hotel has a gym that's actually clean and organized because sometimes hotel fitness centers end up feeling like an afterthought. This one feels like it was designed for guests who actually use it. Another nice thing about staying here is you have several dining options without ever needing to leave the property. Whether you're looking for a quick bite between activities, sitting down for a full meal, or just grabbing something later in the evening, having multiple restaurants on site makes things a lot more convenient. After a long day of traveling, it's nice to not have to jump back in the car to just find dinner. Everything is right here so you can spend less time driving around and more time actually enjoying your stay. After checking out the gym, we headed down to the casino floor. And whether you're an experienced player or just there for the atmosphere like we are, there's definitely plenty going on. You'll find rows of slot machines along with a variety of table games, so there's an option for just about everyone. Even if gambling isn't really your thing, casinos like this can still be fun to walk through because there's plenty of energy, lights, music, and people enjoying themselves. Win or lose, the goal is simple, is to have fun. Something else that's nice about having the casino attached to the hotel is the convenience. Once you've parked your car and checked in, you really don't have to leave if you don't want to. You can work out, grab something to eat, spend some time on the gaming floor, relax with a drink, and then head right back to your room without having to drive anywhere. That's one of the biggest advantages of staying at the casino hotel instead of a standard hotel, which is why we ended up picking here. After spending some time on the gaming floor, we stopped by the bar to grab a couple drinks, and honestly, it was a nice place to slow down for a bit. Whether you're celebrating a good run, taking a break from the casino, or just hanging out with some friends, it's a comfortable spot to relax before calling it a night. So if you guys find this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new hotel to stay at in the St. Louis area, definitely look into the River City Casino and Hotel. This is definitely a 5-star, highly recommend.